How to enable or disable optimized battery charging on iPhone. Optimized battery charging is an iPhone feature that slows down battery aging by learning your charging habits and reducing the time your phone spends fully charged. You can turn it on or off in settings. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device. Now there scroll and tap on the battery option available there. Inside battery, you will get to see battery health or charging option available. Simply tap on the charging. Now that you can see optimized battery saving, simply toggle the switch on green to enable or off gray to disable. And that is it. When enabled, your iPhone learns your daily charging routine and waits to finish charging past 80% until just before you usually unplug it. Keeping it on is recommended for long-term battery health. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.